What if I told you there was a chatbot that was able to access all of your HubSpot contacts and manage them just like a human would? Hello everyone, my name is Arshia, and today I'm going to show you our HubSpot Contacts Manager. And basically what this flow does is that it manages your contacts in your HubSpot CRM using the tools at this AI agent's disposal. So that's create contacts in HubSpot, update contacts in HubSpot, and search contact in HubSpot. So basically, here I've asked it, do I have any contacts named Tom? It says, yes, you have a contact named Tom in HubSpot. Here are the details: first name Tom, last name Doe. If we go to our HubSpot, we can see that it's true with the number blah, blah, blah. And if we were to say, change this contact first name to Arshia, it's going to start processing. It should be fairly quick. It's going to use the tool and give us a result quite quickly. So the contact's first name has been successfully updated from Tom to Arshia. Here are the updated details. So if we were to go to our HubSpot CRM and refresh our page, we should be able to see Arshia Doe instead of Tom Doe. And we can do other things as well. So for example, we can say create a contact named Yasha Burmand with the number and it's going to start processing, use the tool, and create the contact for us. There we go, successfully created in HubSpot. So if we go here, refresh again. So as you can see, after refreshing, we can see Yasha Burmand with the phone number has been created. So yeah, this is a chatbot. This is an AI agent. So you can add many other tools to the AI agent and combine it with your HubSpot Contacts Manager and create some pretty cool use cases. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this flow, please leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, enjoy your day.